In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to find out who owns a domain name. Looking up who owns a domain name can help you find the owner's contact information so that you can purchase that domain name. You can easily find out who owns a domain name. To do this, navigate to this page called domain.com. I'm going to link it in the description below. Then go to Domains and click on Who Is Lookup. Now here, enter the domain you want to search for. And click on Search. Here you'll get details about the domain, like the hosting and the email address of the user who owns the domain. This is how you can find out who owns a domain name. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at the next one.